Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this simple and easy faux locks tutorial in less than 2 hours. So if you're interested and you want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how I've been styling my hair for the past 2 weeks now to work. I have my cornrow right here, so I needed to cover that section up because I wasn't able to finish braiding these faux locks. And as you can see, my edges are grown out, my scalp have grown out as well, and they are looking some way and all that. So this is my locks. Yeah, it looks neat the first day I installed it, but it's been 2 weeks and it has changed. So let me remove the rubber band from the back and let's start braiding. This side goes this way and go to my back. And for all those who don't know, I did a big chop. I've been transitioning for the past like 8 months or so, and I thought like this is the right time for me to do the big chop in order to help my natural hair grow better and healthier. So I don't think that video will go live before this one, but in any case I did a big chop and you'll see the video soon. Alright, so let me start removing the cornrows. Oh gosh, the hair looks so dry, guys. So I'm using a white comb to help me detangle the hair. And then I'm going to start parting the hair. So as you can see, from here to here I cannot do like measurement or something, so I'm going to be braiding in that direction. So this one goes this way. Trying to make the pattern as neat as I can, and I'm going to tie this section off in order to help me work with only this section. Alright, so now I have a bottle here filled with water and leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray that on my hair to moisturize it. I'm going to detangle it with a small comb. Okay, so now I'm going to start braiding. I'm not here to do braids tutorial. I'm not here to show you how to do braids because I have a lot of videos on here that shows how to do it. So I think I'm going to fast forward this section as well. Alright, so here is one braid done. Now I'm going to remove one kinky hair and I'm spreading it out to remove the curl. I have to pull it up like this to make it straight. And then I'm going to divide it into 3 equal sections. And then start wrapping with a bigger section, starting from the root. Okay, so this is one. So I'm going to put this beneath my braids, that's two, and making sure that I'm holding it tight. I'm going to begin wrapping the hair about 2 or 3 times at the root. Then I make my way upwards. Okay, so when I realized I can't rub anymore and my fingers hurt, what I like to do is wrap upward to secure this pin that I have here. So with this part, I'm going to cut it off, but not now. I am going to wrap this upwards like this. I'm going to wrap it upwards, and this is to make sure that the hair is very secured and that they are not going to be loose or fall off. I wrap until I can't wrap anymore, and then I cut off this. And then what I like to do is I now rub my fingers. Okay. And you are done. That's basically it. Very simple to do. Everyone can do it. And one thing I've noticed is the type of kinky hair that I used made my locks not to be stiff, rigid. I hate stiff locks. Like you turn like this and it goes with you, you turn that way and it goes with you. It doesn't stay in place. So anytime if you want to do these type of locks, make sure you get kinky hair that is really soft in order to help your locks like very flexible. So at the end of the video, I'll give you details of the hair that I used. I know it's going to be very difficult for some of you out there to get it wherever you are, but it's not my fault, guys. It's not my fault. I'm used to using products that are not available worldwide. That's not my fault, like the situation at hand, okay? So please bear with me. So stay tuned and let's continue braiding. Alright guys, so I'm done installing the faux locks, and as you can see, they look pretty good. Like, so as I said before, this is a 2 weeks old faux locks that I did, and I just did the middle part as like today when I was filming the video. So as promised, I told you I was going to show you the type of hair that I use. So always, if you've been watching my tutorials, you know I always use ultra caniculon hair for my braids and any other thing. So for the caniculon hair that I use today is by Ultra. I've shown you pictures of this so many times, so I'm not going to do that today. And for the kinky hair that I use, that really soft, is this brand. It's called Rosemary. I got 2 packs, which wasn't enough, so I had to get a 3rd pack. So I got 2 blacks and then 1 color 99J. So that is what you see at the tip. Initially I didn't want to use it, but because I didn't have enough hair around, I started to use it only at the tip. So that is the highlight you see in between. And I used only 2 bundles, like 2 bundles like this for the tips. So I have this hair left. You can use it for braids. As you can see, it's showing you kinky braids that the model has right here. This hair feels really soft compared to the other kinky hair that we have around. I've used Noble Gold, I've used Darling, but this one is way soft than those 2 brands. So if you happen to have this kind of brand in your area, then definitely use it. If you're in Ghana and you want to purchase it, I bought it inside the Makala Mall. It costs 25 Ghana cedis for 1 pack, so I used 3, which was 75 for the one. And then I went ahead to add some accessories in order to beautify it as well. I think I'm going to add more accessories to make you more cuter. So yeah, that's basically it. So guys, let me know if you found this video helpful and you learned so much from it. Definitely don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also guys, make sure you click on the subscription button and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video. Follow me on my social media, Instagram at 2_Mami Abena 2_. I'll leave details of the hair also down below, and also I'll try to find links if I can get similar ones for you. I don't know how it will go, but yes. Alright guys, so until next week, I love you all. Bye.